Are you missing out on the latest features in your Samsung phone? It's important to keep your phone updated so you can enjoy new improvements and better performance. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to update your phone and get those features. Let's get started. Method 1. Open up the settings. Scroll down a little bit. Find out the device care. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find the software update option. Tap on it. Before that, make sure to enable mobile data or Wi-Fi, and your phone charge should be above 50%. After that, tap on download and install, then it will start to download automatically. Besides this, you can do one more thing. Go back to the device care page, then tap on the 3 dots icon from the top right corner. Now tap settings. Next, tap on about device care. Then tap on Update Security Engine. The Security Engine ensures your latest security information to protect your phone from malware. So update your phone's security by tapping Update Security Engine from the below. Method 2. Go to Settings again. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find the Software Update option once again. Tap on it. Then tap on Download and Install. Then it will start to download automatically. This software update will fix minor bugs or glitches, improve phone performance, and add more features. Alright everyone, I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around.